dump you down.
Punch up side to side there, armband. Do not spread out. Be together. Don't fight.
Oh, this will be fun.
3, 2, 1, go, 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 go.
Back!
One's pushing up right side. Oh my God. God damn it. Hit! Hit! God. Sure. Oh.
Yeah.
Already? Damn. I'm gonna call it. I don't know what. Hit! Hit! Dead man coming out! Dead man coming out!
Backside. They're in the window.
Don't stand in that door. Don't stand in the door. If you're planning to move in, you'll get it.
We just gotta foil it. I mean, that's just how it is.
Unsure. No idea.
Neat. You go high, I go low. 3, 2, 1, go.
All right, all right. Anybody got a grenade?
He's high. He's low on the wall.
Low right.
He's low.
Right,
He's low. Low right. Low right.
One further back too.
Hey, you go low. You go high. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go.
Right corner. Bottom right corner.
You get on the left side of the door and you just start looping in.
I think I got hit. I got hit. Dead man, walk it out. Dead man, dead man. Dead man. Move. Are you serious?
Man coming through. Come on, you got it.
They're heavy left side.
Guard shack one.
Got him. They're doing the same shit. You gotta be fucking kidding me, dude.
What do you got?
I got one bar. What the fuck?
You see that, right?
They're not calling shit. You just gotta fucking hit them.
Are they behind that screen?
They're doing the same shit. They're in dark room now.
Doorway, dark room.
Somebody watch right side too.
Neat's got it. Neat's got it.
I got the right. Hey, Connor. Hard left in the doorway of that complex.
They're going to go shoot to that fucking man.
You're gonna get shot to the man.
They're gonna shoot from the fucking back now. Watch.
You push it up on the right if you hear us.
They're at the fucking kill hole now.
Excuse me.
Not shoot through the building full auto.
Okay.
Dead man coming out.
Hit.
Clear.
All right, want to go by Bill's rules then? Go by fucking Bill's rules, huh?
When that name, fuck. When they bust in here, you better throw that motherfucker. Got a guy inside, like.
Yep, there's two of them. One's like in the middle doorway and the other one's at the window on the right side.
I can hit the door. Barely.
Yeah, I can't see them right here. Okay.
Oh, you're hit down there, shooter!
Keep an eye on that, Nate.
Hit. Something on the back.
Hey, in the backwoods.
Oh my god. Shit.
Guys, doorway.
Nice.
Shit, dude, good shit!
Hit. Dead man coming out. Dead man coming out. Dead man.
Hit! Are they going already?
Yeah, they're going.
They're running right! He's going to right side of the building! Right side of 5!
Watch that right side. Two right side. Two right.
One's in the far back of it now.
Shadow.
They're gonna try to go on our fucking behinds again. I gotta cover that. Yeah, I see
In this room.
Was that in here?
Get out of here. One move that right outside of this building. You move that.
Shit, it's alright. I'm going up the right. Go. Neat, he was right there.
2 minutes. Somebody shot me out. Somebody drive salty.
Yep.
Ooh, into the fucking throat. Ow. Gotta love it.
He's dead.
Oh shit.
Dead player, dead player. Yep, you're dead.
What? I'm trying to get the guy behind you. Sorry.
Don't apologize. He shouldn't be talking to you anyway.
I know. No, I shot his teammate behind him.
30 seconds. 30 seconds. Hold it down, boys. Clear. No, it's not.
Hit!
Yep.
Dead man. Dead man, dead man.
I'm pointing at you. Hopefully they don't fucking.
Dead man walking around. Dead man. Neat. They're hugging the right brush. Yeah, I would imagine a gas. Keep an eye on that middle. There might be one running up right now. Keep an eye on it, keep an eye on it. Rail ties, rail ties! He's down. 8, left, left. It's on the berm now. Hit! Hit! Dude, I hit you. Yeah, but fling your fucking head back, really fucking convincing.